In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a photo from a Google Drive link. This process is straightforward and can save you time and space on your Google Drive. Let's jump right in. First, open the link to the Google Drive file or folder. When you click on the link, your browser will lead you directly to the Google Drive interface. You will see a grid or list of files and folders depending on how the view is set. This view is essential because it allows you to navigate through your files effectively. Remember, if you are not signed into your Google account, you may need to do so to access the content. This ensures that you have the proper permissions to manage the files. Next, locate the photo you'd like to delete. Take your time to scan through the files presented on the screen. You might see various images, documents, or folders. If you have many files, you could use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the photo. This little step can save you a lot of time, especially if your Google Drive is cluttered. Once you find the image, it's time to proceed to the next step. Now select the photo. You can do this by clicking directly on the image thumbnail. When you do this, the photo will typically become highlighted or show a check mark, indicating that it has been selected. This action is crucial because it tells Google Drive which file you want to delete. If you accidentally select the wrong file, you can easily click elsewhere to deselect it. This gives you control over what you are about to delete, ensuring that you don't remove any important files accidentally. After that, look for the delete icon from the toolbar at the top of the list, or right-click on the photo and click delete. The delete icon often looks like a trash can. If you are using the toolbar, it will be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Alternatively, right-clicking on the photo will open a context menu where you can also see the delete option. This dual approach gives you flexibility in how you manage your files. Once you click delete, a confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are sure about this action. This confirmation is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Now that you've successfully clicked delete, the file will be removed from your Google Drive. You might see a notification confirming that the photo has been deleted. This is important because it lets you know your changes have been saved. If you change your mind, remember that deleted items go to the trash, where they can be recovered for a limited time. In summary, deleting a photo from a Google Drive link is simple yet essential for managing your storage effectively. With these steps, you can keep your Google Drive organized and free of unnecessary files. If you follow these instructions carefully, you will maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you manage your Google Drive more effectively.